Eponine, have you no fear? Have you seen my beloved? Why have you come back here?
Took the letter, like you said. I met her father at the door. He said he would give it. I don't think I can stand anymore. Oh.
Eponine, what's wrong? I fear there's something wet upon your hair. Eponine, you're hurt. You need some help. Oh God, it's everywhere.
Don't you fret, Monsieur Marius. I don't feel any pain. A little fall of rain can hardly hurt me now. You're here. That's all I need to know. And you will keep me safe. And you will keep me close. And rain will make the flowers grow.
But you will live, Eponine, dear God above. If I could heal your wounds with words of love.
Just hold me now and let it be. Shelter me, comfort me. So don't you fret,
dear Eponine.
Marius, I don't feel any pain.
A little fall of rain can hardly hurt you now. I'm here.
That's all I need to know. And you
I will stay
keep
with
me
you
safe.
till you are
And you will keep me close.
sleeping. And rain
will make the flowers.
will make the flowers grow.